LG Energy Solution, which makes batteries for EVs, will go public on the local stock market next week. It started taking deposits from retail investors, and demand indicates this will be the biggest Korean IPO in history. Suk-hyen fills us in.
A securities firm in Seoul is swarming with elderly investors seeking to bid for shares in one of the most anticipated initial public offerings of this year.
I don't really do this often, but this time I wanted to take part. Since I came all the way out here and it's so cold, I hope I can get at least one share.
Starting Tuesday, LG Energy Solution has been taking pre-order deposits from retail investors. And just an hour after its start, investors apparently placed more than $9 billion in deposits at 7 local brokerages. Demand was overwhelming throughout the day as investors put in over $27 billion in deposits. The competition for shares by individual investors was 20-1.
During its 2-day public subscription, the company plans to offer about 10.6 million to 12.7 million shares to retail investors. That's 25 to 30% of the total 42.5 million shares set for the IPO.
According to the company, 50% of those shares will be equally distributed among investors who've made bids for at least 10 shares, while the remaining 50% will be assigned proportionately. In its initial public offering this month, the world's second largest battery maker is expected to raise almost $11 billion, by far the country's biggest ever IPO. A total of 42.5 billion shares will be issued, and shares are priced at the top of their range at about $250 apiece. Upon listing, the company will be valued at around $59 billion. It will be the third biggest listed company on South Korea's main bourse Kospi after Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix. Most of the funds from the IPO will be used to expand its battery manufacturing facilities, both home and abroad. The blockbuster IPO is set to take place next Thursday on January 27th. Suk-hyen, Arirang News.